student, in this head we are going to study about human digestive system. What is mean by human digestive system? The human digestive system consists of the alimentary canal in its associated glands. Student, what is mean by alimentary canal? So it is a long tube running from the mouth to anus of a human being or any other animal, in which digestion and absorption of food take place. Okay, student, it is also known as gut or digestive tract. Alimentary canal is about 8 to 9 meters in human being, and it is a continuous canal which has many parts such as mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So student, have you understood alimentary canal? It is a long tube running from a mouth to anus of a human being or other animal, in which absorption and digestion of food take place. So human digestive system of alimentary canals and its associated glands. The various organs of the human digestive system include mouth, which is also called buccal cavity, esophagus, which is also called food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. And the glands which are associated with human digestive system also form a part of human digestive system, such as salivary gland, liver and pancreas. Okay, student, salivary glands are located in the mouth, and liver is a reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body. Pancreas is a large green colored gland located just below the stomach. Okay students, now we will talk about how the food get digested when it passes through the various parts of alimentary canal. First one is in the mouth or buccal cavity. Student, food is taken in the body or ingested through the mouth. The digestion of food starts as soon as we put the food in our mouth. Okay students, our food, just as we have our food, the digestion of food starts. The mouth contains teeth, tongue and salivary gland. Salivary gland secretes a watery liquid which is called saliva. The tongue helps in mixing saliva with food. Okay, so saliva is the digestive juice which helps to digest the starch present in the food partially. The slightly digested food is swallowed by the tongue and goes down into esophagus, which is also called food pipe. Student, now come esophagus or food pipe. The esophagus is a tube or pipe which connects the mouth or buccal cavity to mouth. Okay, to stomach. Esophagus is commonly known as food pipe. It runs along the neck and chest. It carries the slightly digested food from the mouth to the stomach. The food coming from the mouth moves down through esophagus by peristalsis. Okay students, so when food entered in the esophagus at the top, and the muscles in the walls of esophagus or on the walls of food pipe start alternative contraction and relaxation, producing a wave-like movement which pushes the food downwards toward the stomach. Okay, students, during vomiting, however, the food moves in the opposite direction from stomach to mouth by the process of anti-peristalsis in the food pipe. So this is how the food pipe in the food pipe, how the food moves from upward to downward. And next point is in the stomach. Stomach is a thick wall bag present on the left side of the abdomen. Okay, see, this is the picture of human digestive system student. It is stomach, it's esophagus, it's a food pipe, it's mouth, salivary gland, it is located in the mouth, it is a gallbladder, it's a liver, the pancreas, small intestine students, large intestine, and it's a rectum, and it is a anus. Okay student, it is the widest part of alimentary canal, stomach. This is stomach, it is the widest part of alimentary canal, and food pipe brings a slightly digested food from the mouth to the stomach, and then food is further digested in the stomach. Okay, the inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Now comes in the small intestine. Student, small intestine is a very long tube. See, it is a small intestine. It is a very long tube, but it is called small because it is a very narrow tube. It is not wide, it's a narrow tube. It is at approx 7 to 7.5 meters long. Okay, small intestine is a main region for the absorption of digested food. Small intestine is a site of human being is a site of complete digestion. It is a site where food is completely digested. Okay, students. First point: complete digestion of food in a small intestine is taken. Here, liver secretes a liquid called bile, which is stored in the gallbladder, and liver play an important role in digestion of fat. Here fat is digested. Now come pancreas. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, and pancreatic juice breaks down fat completely into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, and wall of small intestine also secretes a digestive fluid called intestinal juice. Okay, intestinal juice break down the starch carbohydrate completely into the simplest sugar called glucose. This is how the different nutrients of the food is digested. Now come absorption of digested food. Students, in small intestine, digestive food is completely absorbed. The digestive food can now pass into the blood vessel in the walls of the small intestine, which is called absorption. Okay. Student, a part of the food which we eat cannot be digested by our body. The undigested food cannot be absorbed in the small intestine. So the food that remain undigested and absorbed passes from the small intestine to the large intestine. Okay, so large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. See, it's a large intestine. It is 1.5 meter long. It is called large because it has a wide tube. Basically, the work of a small intestine is that to absorb water from the undigested food material. Okay, the undigested and absorbed food from the small intestine enter in the large intestine, and due to removal of water, the undigested food becomes solid, like semi-solid, and the undigested food or mass material is stored in the last part of the large intestine, which is called rectum. Okay, so see, it's a rectum. It is a rectum. It is a place where undigested food or waste material is stored for some time. When we go to washroom, the undigested or solid waste is passed out from the body through the anus. So through the anus, it comes out from our body in the form of phases, which is called digestion. So students, this was the complete the human digestive system. Okay, draw the diagram of human digestive system in your science copy.